I watched 100 AI faceless YouTube videos, and here are the top 3 AI tools all these AI channels use to get millions of views. At the end of this video, I'll also show you how you can use all of these tools for free. The first tool on our list is DubDup. If you're new on YouTube as a creator finding it hard to write a script, DubDup can make the process easier. There is a quote that says you don't have to reinvent the wheel every day. In the start, just follow what big YouTubers are doing in your niche. In just 5 simple steps, you can create a video transcription, voiceover, and even AI avatars. Here's how. Click the link in the description and go to dubdub.com, sign up with your Google account, click on AI transcribe and create a new project. Find any trending shot in your AI niche that inspires you, copy its link and paste it inside DubDup. Hit the transcribe button. In just few minutes, you have a complete transcription of that video. Once you have your transcription ready, you can use it to create script for your video. Copy the transcription and paste it into ChatGPT or any other AI tool you like. Ask it to rewrite the script for you, and just like that, you have the entire script for your video ready. Next on our list is 11 Labs, a tool used to create AI voices with a huge database of voice and even the options to clone your own voice. 11 Labs is a must-have tool for any YouTuber who is especially starting in AI niche, and here's how you can do it. You can also use this tool in marketing and other fundamental business as well. Use the link in the description and hit sign up. Sign up using your Google account, answer some basic questions. Once you have set up your account, you will have a free account with limit of 10,000 characters, which gives you around 10 to 13 short videos. Click on text to speech, scroll down and select the voice you like. I usually use Adam. Paste the script you recently created using DubDup. Hit generate in just a few minutes. It will create a complete AI voiceover for your video. You can download it and use it copyright free. Finally, we have TensorArt, one of the best premium AI tools in the market. They have a wide variety of models to choose from, and they give you 100 credits each day on each email. Here's how you can use it. Use the link in the description and sign up using your Google account. Click on the home page and click on classic mode. Select the model or style you like. Use any simple prompt of an image you want to generate. Hit generate and wait for a few minutes and let it load. And here's the amazing results. You can download these and use these images in your video copyright free. You can also add negative prompts for better results. I'll leave a link in the description. As I told you in the start of the video, I'll show you a way how you can use all these tools for free. Here it is. This is a tool called Squarex. Simply click in the link in the description and add it into your Chrome. This is basically a Chrome extension. Do some basic signups and once done, open the Chrome extension. And now you have an unlimited access to dummy emails and dummy inboxes that you can use to get free accounts on all these sites. If your quota runs out on any of these sites, you can regenerate a new email. If a website bans you, you can use a free VPN inside the Chrome extension as well. If you found this video informative, please hit the subscribe button. I'll bring a complete series on AI tools, so leave a like down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next one.